Check out how accurate this TradingView indicator is and the profit it generated in a short period of time. What about this secret tool that gives perfect buy and sell signals? It's so accurate. Dear friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll share with you our 6 brand new indicators on TradingView that will make you huge returns on your account. We'll share with you the best timeframes and settings for each indicator, so make sure to watch the entire video. Let's get started. On the 6th place, we put an indicator called Swing Failure Zones and Signals by Algo Alpha. This powerful tool helps you identify potential swing failure zones, offering clear bullish and bearish signals to guide your trading decisions. The most suitable time frame for this indicator is 1 hour. It works great for trading Bitcoin. Check out how accurate these signals are. By following them, you can catch really big market moves. The indicator calculates the direction and length of each candle to identify swing failure points by comparing current high and low prices with those from the look-back period. A bullish swing failure is detected when the current low is lower than the previous low and the close is higher than the previous high. While a bearish swing failure occurs when the current high is higher than the previous high and the close is lower than the previous low. Upon detection, the script creates zones on the chart to indicate these failure points and manages them by removing invalidated zones based on the defined settings. Visual signals are plotted on the chart as arrows, and alerts are set for these conditions to help you capture potential entry opportunities efficiently. Simply watch for the appearance of the zones and the directional arrows for likely reversal signals. Use these signals in combination with other confluences to identify key market entries and exits. The next indicator on our list is called Triple EMA plus QQE Trend Following Strategy by TradeDots. This buy and sell strategy works exceptionally well on Bitcoin in the daily time frame. It integrates 2 indicators that produce easy-to-follow long and short signals. On default settings, the strategy has a winning ratio of 51%. The total profit generated is over 4,500%, which is crazy. However, this win rate can be improved as well as the drawdown. Simply perform the following customization. The first step is to change the teamer source to open. Then set the first teamer length to 30 and the second teamer length to 100. The winning rate has increased to 68%. Now go to Properties and change the order size from 80% to 25% of total equity. This will limit the maximum drawdown to 7.5%. Finally, go to the Style section and hide the trades on chart. Once you've finished setting up the indicator, click on the Alerts button and set an alert for these buy and sell signals. Once a signal is generated, you'll receive a notification about a potential buy or sell opportunity. Save this strategy to your library, and let's move on to the 4th place indicator. This amazing indicator is called ICT Turtle Soup by Flux Charts. For those of you who like simplified trading, this tool is a must-have. This indicator's buy and sell signals are based on liquidity grabs and market structure. It uses higher time frames for entry confirmations. This indicator is an all-in-one suit for ICT's Turtle Soup concept. It's capable of plotting the strategy, giving signals with a stop loss and a profit target, a backtesting dashboard and alerts feature. It's developed for simplifying a rather complex strategy, helping you to execute it with clean signals. The backtesting dashboard allows you to see how your settings perform in the current ticker. You can also set up alerts to get informed when the strategy is executable for different tickers. The indicator works well with Euro-US dollar pair in the 5 and 15-minute time frames. Here are the best settings for the 5-minute time frame. Change the MSS swing length to 16. This will increase the win rate to 76%. You can try the ICT Turtle Soup indicator on other Forex pairs too. Just customize the inputs accordingly. Next up in our ranking is Double Vega's Super Trend Enhanced Strategy by Present Trading. This strategy is very powerful. It works great for trading Bitcoin on the daily chart. The strategy aims to pinpoint market trends with greater accuracy and generate trades that align with the overall market direction. This approach differs itself by integrating volatility adjustments and leveraging the Vegas channel's width to refine the supertrend calculations, resulting in a dynamic and responsive trading system. Let's customize the inputs for the best algorithm performance. First, it is recommended to use this indicator for long trades only. This is just our personal preference. Set the ATR value period for supertrend to 5. The supertrend multiplier base 1 should be changed to 4. The volatility adjustment factor should be set to 3. Next, open strategy properties and set the order size to 20%. Now let's check the backtesting results. The winning ratio has increased to 76% and the total profit is over 1500%. This is quite impressive. Save it to your favorites and let's reveal the indicator on the second spot. This tool is called Price and Volume Breakout Buy Strategy by TradeDots. The Price and Volume Breakout Buy Strategy is a trading strategy designed to identify buying opportunities by detecting concurrent price and volume breakouts over a specified range of candlesticks. This strategy is optimized for assets demonstrating high volatility and significant momentum spikes. The strategy first takes the specific number of candlesticks as the examination window for both price and volume. These values are used as benchmarks to identify breakout conditions. A trade is initiated when both the closing price and the trading volume surpass the maximum values observed within the predetermined window. Price must be above a designated moving average, serving as a trend indicator, ensuring that all trades align with the prevailing market trend. This strategy is particularly effective for highly volatile assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. It shows excellent performance on the Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. To enhance the strategy's performance, open the inputs and set the trend line length to 150. Change the risk per position to 20%. On the daily time frame, the strategy gives 85% win rate with the current settings. The total profit exceeds 2,900%. This is really impressive. Finally, let's unveil our most powerful and accurate TradingView indicator. It's called the Trade IQ Kit. This indicator has been recently updated. We believe every trader should have this tool in their arsenal to become consistently profitable. It includes brand new features like Trade IQ Tracer, Smart Volume Profile and Histogram, predictive ranges, and super accurate support and resistance levels. With this indicator, you can build any strategy that suits your needs. It works in all time frames and markets. What sets the Trade IQ Kit apart is its multi-dimensional approach to price analysis. Unlike other indicators that focus on particular areas of trading, the Trade IQ tool offers a broader approach. It combines price action analysis, trend identification, and volumetric analysis, offering a more accurate view of the market than any single indicator you know. TIQ Kit settings can be customized to fit different market conditions and trading styles. For example, let's open the inputs and change the signal sensitivity to 1.4. Enable the Trade IQ Tracer with a time frame set to 2 hours, the volume profile and histogram. Change the number of levels to 14. Whenever a buy signal is generated, you should first check for sufficient volume by looking at the volume histogram. Next, check whether there is buyer volume around the price. High buying interest will push the market higher. Set the stop loss at the tracer line and wait for the first exit signal. Once the signal is given, close part of your position and move the stop loss to break even. To maximize indicator accuracy, use the Trade IQ Kit with the Trade IQ Smart Oscillator. This combination is super powerful as it eliminates all fake signals. For those of you who can't wait to try and test this indicator out, click the first link in the description and get your TIQ kit risk-free.